Sally Guapaya from Seleno Health, and I want to share with you my favorite recipe, how to prepare a ceremonial cacao or cacao elixir. So we have only 3 ingredients. You can add more if you want. We have the main one, that is ceremonial cacao paste. Our 1 kg block comes from the farm in Peru. It's 100% ceremonial grade. And we bring in 1 kg and also in drops. Then we have some spices like cinnamon, and also we add some vanilla. What I do first is to shade my cacao. We have 2 options here, like we have some drops, but I really like to connect with my cacao, so I use the block and I shape the enough amount. And for 1 cup of ceremonial cacao, I use 2 tablespoons. You always can use the cacao drops. 6 to 8 drops per serving could be really ideal to get that benefits and goodness from cacao. And then what I'm gonna do is 1 cup and hot water. Then we have some spices like cinnamon. Cinnamon brings that aromatic flavor and enhance all the goodness of cacao, and also cinnamon is the way how we traditionally add in cacao. So I use 1/4 teaspoon. I know some people like a lot of cinnamon and spices. You always can use cloves, cardamom, ginger. So there are different ways how to add cacao. And then we have some vanilla. I love vanilla. You always choose a good vanilla essential. And I add 1 teaspoon. It's at your choice if you want to use any kind of sweetener. I'm using coconut sugar. Some people like to add some honey or other kind of sweetener. So I'm only gonna add 2 teaspoons. And traditionally we used to blend the cacao with this Molinillo, that is cacao whisk. You can also get one of those and start to create your beautiful ritual with cacao. It's really easy, and also bring that beautiful connection. If you like also to use the cacao block that you shave and do the whisking with cacao. But we can always also use the blender. So simple and easy. And we have our ceremonial cacao elixir. And I'm gonna show you how creamy it is and how all this bubble of cacao are creating those beautiful creaminess. And this is our cacao elixir, very simple and easy. It's not gonna take you more than 2 or 2 minutes. What we have here, and I always like to complement my cacao drink, it's some maca nibs. They are crunchy, they are sweet, and I just use as a topic. You can see here. You can use it as a topping. 1 teaspoon of this, or is up your choice. I really like to put a lot of cacao nibs, and this create a really creamy, crunchy way how you can enjoy, and that's it. This is a ceremonial cacao drink or cacao elixir.